Annyeonghaseyo everyone, it's me B, and today we are doing the 14th, I believe? Yeah, 14th day of the unboxing of the 3 mini brands by Disney. Go ahead and open this up. You get started. So far we've got pretty good, these things make it so hard to, sorry if it's going out of focus, but as I'm fighting, oof, I had to really put all my body weight in that. Let's see. Okay, so we got Princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. I'm trying to get it to her. Trying to get the camera to focus. The camera doesn't want to focus. There we go. Oh, it's got a little owl dancing in the background. So I love how you can see her eyes, but not really much of her lips. So they kind of like you can see like the indentation, like there's a nose and lips, but like there's no lips. That is so weird. Because if you compare it to, yeah, so you can tell this one has lips. And where's the other princess we have? They did that with Cinderella too. Like you see the eyes and eyebrows, and you can see like the indentation of like the face and the indentation of the nose and like mouth, but there's like no color. That's so weird. Oh, that's so cute in the back of it. But that's day 14 and day 15. Where's day 15? Oh, right here in this corner. So stay tuned for that, and you can follow me on other social medias in the description box. And sorry for my camera just like not wanting to focus today. I don't know why it's acting up, but there you go. Wait, no? Okay. Anyway, thank you for tuning in, y'all, and I'll see you later. Bye.